Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can insert a code block into your notes in the Obsidian Notes app. So let us guide you through this. Head over to your workspace in the Obsidian Notes application in the bottom left corner. Select a note. I will go with this one here and then left click into that text field here. Let me skip to a new line here. And then guys, what you want to do is insert or give the command / and then code block. You can, for example, use this option here, insert code block. And then you will see that text block here. So here you can enter your code, like, I don't know, JavaScript or whichever coding language you're using. I have no idea how coding works, so I'm not going to give any good example, but I would go with something like this. And then, I don't know, you can enter your code. And then once that's done, guys, you can click off or press enter, and then you will see that the code will remain with the code block so that you can copy it by clicking into that button to your clipboard to, I don't know, to share that code with your co-editors and so on and so forth, guys. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.